Ever tapped your card somewhere with literally zero signal and it still went through? That's not a fluke. Your card can approve its own payment without ever talking to your bank. That tiny gold chip on your card isn't just a chip, it's a full miniature computer. Banks call this system EMV, named after Europay, Mastercard, and Visa, the three companies that built it in the 1990s. Your bank actually loads that chip with its own rulebook before it ever leaves the factory. Rules like approve anything under this amount, or approve up to this many transactions in a row. When the terminal has no connection, it asks the chip directly, can this be approved? The chip checks the purchase against its own rules and makes the call right there, no internet required. It even generates a one-time code for that single purchase, so it can't be copied and reused. The terminal just stores the whole transaction and quietly sends it to the bank once it's back online. Which means the moment you tap your card, the actual approval might not even come from your bank. It comes from a tiny computer sitting inside your wallet.